Hey, what's up you guys? Good morning. Today we're gonna be doing some more wrenching on the truck. So what we got going on today is some goodies from RagoFabrication. So if you guys don't know what RagoFabrication and what kind of products they offer, we're basically gonna be doing a whole 2022 Tundra Molle panel kit. So we're gonna have some Molle panels on the bed sides and then on the cab. And then we're also gonna be doing some Molle panels inside on the interior. So that's gonna be super cool. So we're gonna have a Molle panel that comes around here, and then it's like a little device bridge. So we can have a Molle panel here to mount different sorts of accessories and gadgets. And we're gonna finally do a Molle panel or a little device tray up in there. So that's gonna be super cool. And I honestly think this is gonna be, a really good mod for when we go off-road. So we can mount all of our accessories, we can mount all of our different gear that we need, and it'll help keep us safe. So yeah, let's get to it. Just a little shout out again to Versatrax. These bed rail mounts made sure that these boxes weren't slipping and sliding back in the bed, because I do not have the OEM Toyota bed liner. So these were super handy with the O-ring, the ratchet strap, super secure, not moving around. So exactly what I needed. Also too, I don't know if you guys would be interested in this. This is a little sneak peek. This is the Step 22 Pangolin gear roll or tool roll. So what it does is, if I can do it with one hand, is in this small form factor I could fit over 150 piece mechanic tool set. Look at this thing. This thing is actually insane. So this has all my tools in it. Impact sockets. These are the chromies. So this is my SAE and my metric set. This is also a tool roll here. The wrench roll that has all my wrenches that I need and different pockets. And yeah, I could make a dedicated video on this. Again, Step 22 Pangolin. And yeah, I just picked this up at Overland Expo. This is the only thing that I bought at Overland Expo. Isn't that crazy? They do a really good job covering everything, so it doesn't make it a fun little unboxing, but Alright guys, so we got one panel out, and this thing already looks super beefy. Look at this. So this is gonna be the driver's side, and it feels honestly like really nice, and all the machining super clean. And yeah, this is gonna go so sick with my truck. here's a little update. I got the cab on, but the driver's side is TBD, and then this side is currently in progress. So this is how it looks like. It's a Rago fab. It's a Molle panel. So you'll be able to mount different things. You'll be able to mount roto packs. You can mount like fire extinguishers, and you can also mount basically anything that has a Molle panel mount. You can mount on this. So yeah, work in progress, and we'll keep going. All right, you guys, so we had to take a little break, but it's not done yet because we just had some rivets to get drilled into the bed, and then we can finish putting in the Molle panels. So everything's looking good. We'll, you know, get back to it. So the other guys are working on another Tundra. Look at this motherfucker, dude. This thing is huge. It's the Gen 2. What are you guys doing on this one?
Body mount relocation.
Body mount relocation. So, if you guys don't know what that is, this body mount here needs to get relocated to fit these 37s. So, little update for you guys. Passenger side on. Look at that. Well, kind of on. And look, 2/3 of the way there. So, progress.